$100 on TikTok's most viral slime. Not rent, not dumplings either, on slime. The real question is will this change my life? TikTok told me that the slime would change my life, and TikTok has lied to me before. Let's go. Says it smells like key lime sherbet. I love sherbet. I feel like we need a drum roll. Moment of truth. Welcome back to the series where I test questionable things that I already know I'm not gonna like, but I do it for you. This is one of the products you guys asked for. Action. Oh, it's got a little frog. No, I don't like slime. We've gone through this. Oh, hey, what are you doing over there? I'm not playing with slime. It's very cold. However, it smells delicious. If you don't know, sherbet's my favorite ice cream, and you probably didn't know. Why is this the best slime I've ever used? This is not an ad, I just looked it up. Emotionally, I'm attached. Financially, I'm gonna be spiraling. This is the softest, creamiest slime I've ever felt in my life. On to our next. That was better than I thought it would be. Like, subscribe, and comment because I got attacked by a pit bull, and I'm only one-handed. You better keep liking and subscribing because I don't like slime. I'm doing this for you guys. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. This one's called cotton candy. Fun fact, I got COVID when it first came out, like it was Black Friday or something. And ever since then, the thought of cotton candy has been my, can't do it. Cotton candy. God, it smells exactly like cotton candy. I feel like you're paying for a whole product with the scent versus just paying for like cheap slime. This is what it looks like. I will say they have the creamiest slimes. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's creamy. It's good. I'm kind of sad I'm mixing the colors together, but another thing is like other slimes, mix them together and they get ugly colors. And this is, oh my God, your girl may be a new slime girl. Sorry, I thought we were done filming. This is so good. And look, it's even pretty after you mix it. I want to do like the swirl like they do. Okay, I'm not them. Kind of looks like it. It just smells so good. So yeah, I spent $100 on slime and it may actually turn out to be worth it. If you're anyone in my life, you should stop allowing me to go to Target because this is what I walk out. Rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won again. We're gonna go with this pink one. This is strawberry lemonade frost. 3, 2, 1. They're so pretty. Okay, this one's supposed to smell like strawberry lemonade. It smells good. And look at, I'm taking the little beads out because I want to save them for you guys for our series. But the only thing I don't really like is the little sprinkles, but that's because they get everywhere. But they're so cute. I do fear it is worth it. Look, I'm just at awe because usually slime is like slick and gross and like gooey. And this is just like so, I don't even think it's gonna show up. It's like so smooth. At the time of purchase, I was a little weary. At the time of use, I'm pretty confident that there's a reason why they've sold 30,000 on TikTok. Stop watching me in my free time. May actually like these more than I like the dumplings. Didn't think that was possible. I fear we've met halftime, where we have done half of these and we still have the rest. Welcome to Maddie's halftime show. Today we're gonna be opening a dumpling. And it better be the one we want. Guys, I still don't have scissors. It better be, at this time, I'm not even convinced that there's an ultra rare in the Valentine's Day collection because I've actually never seen it. Ready? If this is it, I will crash out, freak out, and jump all around and be so happy. Do you know how many of these I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know I have more other places. This is like the most common color I've gotten out of all of them. I've actually only gotten one pink out of like, I think I'm at 75 right now to give to you guys. That's insane. Is there an actual sparkly one? Because right now I'm gonna go with no, there's not. So that concludes Maddie's halftime show. Back to your regular programming. Either I just wasted $100 on goop, or this is about to ruin me in the best way possible, but not with financials. We have 3 left. You know the drill. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tricked you. Oh, I got 2 lemonades. Oh, bummer. Maybe I should give this to one of you guys. I didn't realize I bought 2 of the same ones. Let's do, oh, this is cloud slime. Are all of these cloud slime? Okay, this was ice slime. Ice slime. Ice slime. Oh my God, we haven't done any cloud ones yet. I love cloud slime. So these two are probably gonna be my favorite. Even though I'm gonna be honest, the other two didn't feel like normal slime. So we're gonna do the yellow one. Literally my studio smells so good, and I'm pretty sure it's because of these. Because I know for a fact that 100 gallons of slime I made the other day destroyed the smell of this house. This one has cute little watermelons. Again, I'm saving the beads because I want to use them for our series. Okay, we're about to experience Maddie's favorite slime. Oh, hold on. We're having some technical difficulties. Doing this one-handed is not for the weak. I may like the other slime better. It smells so good. Oh my God. Peachybbie, please make this into a body wash because I would wear it. It smells so good. It's not as like smooth as the other one. I may like the other one better. Nope, it is. It very much is. I lied. I'm a liar. You guys. You just need to go to Target. Like, it's $15 of pure bliss. This would help me so much. Oh my gosh, look at how, when I'm like editing, I like fidget with a bunch of stuff. And this is not, oh, I found a, it's got a hedgehog in it. Who wants to be the hedgehog in my series? Comment down below and I'll put you in. We only have one left, but like, it's so mesmerizing because it kind of gives you, oh my gosh, it just keeps going. It kind of gives you the sensation and feel of like kinetic sand in a way, but it is just so soft. What I love is it doesn't goop on your hands because that's something I hate. Also, you might be like, Maddie, why have you made 2 slime videos back to back? Well, I can't really do anything because of my thumb. I'm gonna try to venture out tomorrow, but I was taking requests for this week's videos and this is what you guys came up with. I'm actually going on a 6-hour train ride tomorrow for you. I just can't get over it. This one's my favorite. This is a 10 out of 10. I highly doubt this one is going to beat it in smell wise, but this smells like the Lush hair soap I used to do. I'm gonna copy what they do on their TikToks. They like shove their hands down in it. It's so nice. I don't even know the other stores. I found this by accident. I actually went to go get the mystery unboxing that you guys lied to me about and said that no one would actually buy. And when I went back, there was only one and it was open. Yeah, I went to go find one of those and then I found this. It's time for our last one. We are gathered here today for the last final slime. That's sad to say. It's been well worth it. What will this one feel like? Oh, it's got a cute, okay, I'm saving these yet again for you. What's this supposed to smell like? Cotton candy. Wait, did I already do one of these? No, there's 2 different ones. Okay, let's go. What I've noticed with these is in the beginning of the cloud slime, you actually have to play with it for a second. Look at how pretty that is. Also, if you didn't know this, like I used to make slime all the time because I thought it was fun. Adults can have fun too. And my kids, once you play with it, it like gets it to the point of like fluffiness. And what I also like is this doesn't turn into an ugly color. It's more like, you can't really tell on camera, but it's like a light purple. Obsessed. I spent $100 and it was worth every penny. And I honestly didn't think those words were coming out of my mouth. Overall, I have to say I'm actually surprised. I did not think spending $100 in slime would turn out in a good way. I thought maybe I just like shouldn't have gotten it. However, I did grab one of every single one of them on the shelf. That way we could go over all of them at Target. I would get them. $15, 2 for $30 for like is a lot. However, I don't think this is gonna dry out. And I think instead of replacing slime constantly, you could just get 1 or 2 really good ones and then you have them. Wow, that's all the time we have today in today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, you should like, subscribe, and comment and tell me what you want to do next because I'm trying to do 1 video a week that's like inside the studio and 1 video a week that's like outside the studio. So that's where we're gonna do like the hotels and the train. I'm small enough now that I can see everything you guys put and then hopefully make everything you guys want to watch. So I love you guys. Just like on my main channel, it might be a bad day, month, year, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. Bye.